Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through common maintenance for your Roborock Saros 10R. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Let's start with some common maintenance. Looking at the top of the vacuum, there's really not much you would have to do here. You can always check the navigational bumper for any obstructions or crumbs or debris or hair that might collect in that channel and remove accordingly. You can always wipe down the cover too. That glossy finish will attract a lot of fingerprints. Then under our removable top plate right there, you have access to the dustbin where you will want to do some common maintenance. They even have the instructions for you here how to properly care for the dustbin and to change the filter. This lid opens up to reveal our filter that we can easily dispose of as needed. Quick tip if you want to get more life out of this, if you have a can of compressed air, you can shoot out a lot of the dirt and dust. You can even tap it off too on a table or something like that too, just a hard surface. That'll remove a lot of that really fine dirt and dust. But compressed air would give you some new life on your filter before you want to dispose of it. And then you can rinse the dustbin out as needed and use some compressed air in here if you notice any buildup, or just gently wipe it down. And you can see through in here too. Make sure if there's any debris built up here that you wipe that out of the way. Moving on to the side, you'll want to make sure that all the sensors are free of any dirt and dust that might collect or build up over time. So just gently wipe them down. We got the one on the front and then our star sight on the side here. Same with the charging contacts. Make sure those are free from any obstructions that prevent it from charging. You can wipe down that sensor on the back. We have another sensor on the side right there. But that's going to be it for that side of the vacuum. And then looking at the underside of the vacuum, keep an eye on the side brush here. If you notice any hair tangles building up, you can cut those away. You can wipe down multiple cliff sensors here. For the dual divide system, hopefully you're not detangling it very often, if at all. But you could do that, or you could replace the dual divide system as needed. They come out very easily, color-coded with arrows to install easily as well. So just put them right in just like that. And then this cover will also snap back on. And then lastly, we have our mop pads and modules here. They're just held on by magnets, so you can easily replace the mop pads as needed. Or if you want to throw them in, say, your washing machine, if you want to give them an even deeper clean than the station, that sort of thing, you can do that with ease. Just Velcro on and off, and then magnets to put the whole module back onto the vacuum. Maintenance is very simple and straightforward, and the app is very helpful too, giving you percentage breakdowns on key parts and components, letting you know when it's time to conduct maintenance.